Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your earbuds TCL. Firstly, I recommend to perform the software set. Put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and then open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. And then check is it fixed. Also, make sure that your earbuds are charged. Maybe the problem is one of your earbuds just discharged, so try to also put this earbud to the charging case and then charge the case, and maybe this one fixed this problem. Now, if both of these methods didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. And to perform the factory reset, firstly, at the back side of each earbud, we have touch controls, right here and right here. So, I recommend to put your earbuds to your ears and then press and hold at the touch controls. Firstly, you need to turn off your headphones, so press and hold these touch controls until you will hear the prompt, power off. Here we go. After that, release your fingers and press and hold the touch controls again until you will hear the prompt, device activate. Firstly, these headphones turn on, then enter to pairing mode, and after that you will hear that prompt. So press and hold. Power on. Now pairing, I keep holding touch controls. Device active. Cool. Now we can reconnect them with the phone. Also, these earbuds in the pairing mode, we know it by the LED light was blinking white and blue. Now open settings on your phone and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And then click Forget the Device button, or you may have Forget button, or Forget Device, or Unpair, or Remove. And Forget Device. And you will remove your headphones from your phone. Because if you try to reconnect them, on iOS it will ask you to remove them. On Android it will show you connectional problem. Now, if you tap on them and you reconnect them, meaning that you fail in performing factory reset, so you need to repeat this process. After you remove your headphones, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have a refresh button in the Bluetooth, tap at that button. Then you will see your headphones at the device list and you need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.